Hi everyone. If you are a PhD student, I know exactly how you feel. Staring at a blank pages, endless notes scattered around, research papers piling up, and that constant feeling that your thesis will never get done. Writing a PhD is overwhelming and it is easy to get stuck, procrastinate, or even burn out. But here's the good news, it doesn't have to be this way. There are strategies, habit, and technique that can save your PhD, reduce stress, and help you make consistent progress every day. In this video, I'm going to share 13 practical hacks from workflow and productivity to structure and organization to support and feedback that will help you finish your PhD without losing your sanity. By the end, you will have a clear plan to tackle your writing one step at a time. Let's start with the most important part, your daily writing habit. The first hack is very simple, write every day. You don't need to write thousands of words, even 200 words to 300 words daily can make a huge difference. It might not feel like much at first, but these small daily wins build momentum, reduce anxiety, and make the writing of phase much more manageable. Think of it like brushing your teeth. You don't wait until they are dirty. You keep a daily routine, right? Next, we have a tip that might change how you approach your draft entirely. Prioritize done over perfect. Perfectionism is a huge cause of PhD burnout. Many students spend hours rewriting paragraphs, deleted sentences, and editing endlessly. The trick is to get a complete draft down first. A messy draft is better than no draft at all. Consider it your brain dump phase. You can always refine and polish later. Remember, your thesis does not have to be perfect. It just needs to be complete and coherent. The third hack is about focus. Use the Pomodoro technique. This is simple but incredibly effective. Work in short time interval, 25 minutes of focused writing followed by 5 minutes of break. Repeat this cycle a few times and you will find that you can maintain concentration without feeling exhausted. Long, unbroken writing session can drain you mentally, but breaking the work into bit-sized chunks make it more manageable and less intimidating. Another hack is breaking tasks into smart goals. That's specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. A goal like write my thesis is big and overwhelming, but sometime like write 500 words for chapter 2 between 10 and 11 am is concrete, actionable, and achievable. Small wins like this create real progress and they keep you motivated. And speaking of motivation, don't forget downtime. Rest is not a luxury, it's essential. Treat breaks like real appointments in your calendar. Burnout does not happen from working hard, it happens from never stopping. Giving your mind time to rest allow you to come back to writing with more energy, clarity, and creativity. Finally, one of the most powerful productivity hack is to think of your thesis as a story. Your thesis isn't just a collection of disconnected chapters, it's a journey. Each section should flow naturally into the next, guiding the readers from problem to discovery. Seeing your thesis as a coherent narrative will make writing easier and more engaging. Now, let's talk about structure. Many students struggle with organization because they try to figure it out as they go. The first step is to follow a universal thesis structure. Introduction, literature review, methodology, finding or result, discussion, and conclusion. This roadmap is a standard for most disciplines, and using it early can save you months of confusion and unnecessary rewriting. Next, I recommend studying exemplar thesis. Look at approved thesis from your department or research area. They give you a clear sense of tone, expected depth, chapter length, and argument style. Guidelines are useful, but examples are concrete. They show you what actually works. A common question is, when should you write your introduction? Many experienced academics suggest writing the introduction last or very last. Why? Because the introduction is a roadmap and you can't guide your readers until you know where your journey ends. Write your result, discussion, and conclusion first, then come back to craft an introduction that truly reflects your thesis. Another crucial hack is to diverge technology. Reference managers like Mendeley and Note save hundreds of hours managing citations. Platforms like LaTeX or a structured Word template make formatting stress-free, especially for long document or STEM thesis. Use tools that simply repetitive task so your energy can focus on research and writing. Finally, start putting everything in one document as early as possible. As soon as you have chapters or section, combine them. Seeing the whole thesis take shapes keeps you motivated, help you spot gaps, and give you a clear view of the finish line. Writing a PhD is also about support. The 12th hack is simple: seek regular feedback. Don't wait until a chapter is perfect to share with your supervisor. Sending sections regularly help you stay on track, reduces the risk of major rewrites, and keep you aligned with your supervisor's expectations. Finally, join a writing group. Writing does not have to be lonely. Co-writing sessions or virtual writing group provide accountability, emotional support, and practical tips from peers who are going through the same process. You will realize that your struggles are normal and having a support network can make a huge difference in maintaining momentum. So, to wrap up, your PhD is a marathon, not a sprint. With the right writing habits, clear structures, supportive tables, and tools and feedback, you can make steady progress and finish strong without burning out. Remember these key points: write every day, focus on progress, not perfection, break tasks into small, achievable goals, take regular breaks, build a narrative, not just chapters, use technology wisely, seek support and feedback. If you take these strategies seriously, you will find that your thesis becomes manageable, your stress decreases, and your motivation increases. Progress beats perfection every single time. You have got this. One paragraph, one date, one step at a time.